like snow cones. Snow.
Yeah. There goes Cindy. Don't fall off that log. Good job.
I did fall in this water.
Tell me about it.
Uh-oh.
It's like yellow snow. Okay, it's time. We're making a snowman, and I use the we word very loosely because she's making a snowman. Actually, it's not a very big snowman; it's a little ass snowman.
We don't have any corn for his nose and all that kind of stuff. Or my hand show.
Of course, your hand shows. There. West Virginia snowmen are really tiny. Here's Cindy taking a picture of that little ass snowman.
How about, yeah, stay there.
It's on, right?
Yeah. What happened to our snowman?
What's left? Here, put a cross up. There's the snowman.
Snowman murderer.
Yeah, I know.